Xometry is expanding the price and lead time options for CNC machining in the Xometry Instant Quoting Engine. Now, with each CAD file you upload, you will see 3 options: Expedite, Standard, and Economy. Expedite gives you the fastest possible lead time. It is a great choice when speed is your top priority. Standard is the default quote with the same pricing and lead times that you love from Xometry. Economy gives you our lowest possible price. This option is ideal for jobs that are not time-sensitive. With Economy, your parts may be made in China and may take longer to arrive, but they will be more cost-effective. Expedite, Standard, and jobs with ITAR and domestic manufacturing requirements will be manufactured in the US. As always, Xometry is responsible for the quality and lead times. Upload your CAD file today and choose the price and lead time that fit your project.